ACES, or the Academy Color Encoding System, is a standard that improves areas of filmmaking that have something to do with color science and representation of colors. In other words, it's an Oscar-worthy color standard that unifies films in color space. To put it simply, what you really get with ACES is a series of standards and core transforms and a bunch of metadata and tools to manage everything related to color, plus the best practices for how to move color data from one point to another. What's important to understand is that ACES is not something that you download from the Academy's website and install on your Mac, nor a plugin or creative look for your footage. So, how one should use it? Well, ACES includes a set of developer tools for the companies to integrate those data specifications, aka the color standards, into the software and hardware they create. What you're going to have to do if you want to use ACES is to look for the product partners who are producing your equipment to confirm that they have implemented the ACES standards within the hardware and software they provide. So, ACES actually touches many parts of the production and post-production pipelines. It's in visual effects, on the set, in post-production, and ultimately it's there for the deliverable and the archive. So, generally speaking, ACES must be present as a color space in your camera, your editing software, your final export, and the archive version. ACES is becoming the main choice for movies with CGI and VFX, like Guardians of the Galaxy, for example. And that's because of the many possibilities that ACES provides to make them look much better in terms of color. Some of the other early examples of using ACES are Chappie, the Lego Movie, Oblivion, and The Legend of Tarzan. And in terms of major studios, Universal Pictures is the first Hollywood studio that announced they will begin using ACES in their productions from the fourth quarter of 2022, which for example includes the upcoming Super Mario Bros. Film. So all in all, ACES as a groundbreaking color standard that brings everyone on the same page is getting widely accepted by industry professionals. For example, Michael Milne, color manager from Marvel Studios, says that our philosophy is to maintain the filmmaker's vision from capture through finish while providing flexibility and preserving the image's integrity. ACES is our foundation for achieving this by providing industry standards that unify our departments for current productions and by future-proofing our masters. And this is how Peter Meziris, a VFX supervisor, talks about the role of ACES in their workflow. By adopting ACES as a standard on VFX-heavy movies, there is a huge confidence that the director, DP, DI, colorist, and VFX supervisor are all looking at the same materials presented in a consistent fashion, no matter what the view environment. Its non-destructive color gamut preserves all the range you could ever want, and that's what makes it future-proof. ACES is a game changer. And these were some examples of what ACES users think about it. But in the end, it's a long way to go. So if you can't work in ACES color space yet, but want to achieve that unique color for your films, one way to go is to use cinematic LUTs that gives you that movie-grade look in a matter of few clicks. And you can definitely try Pixflow's Hollywood LUTs color grading pack to have 120 different cinematic looks delivered to your film fast and easy. And for that matter, you can try the link in the description to also enjoy the discount. Thanks for watching and good luck with colors.